That's why I'm giving it to him.
He has to dance.
Sir, audience demand. You cannot do that.
You can't do that.
You can't do that. Okay, chalo. Thanks for the gift.
I think we can give to
Please come.
yes, please come.
Yeah, but
We'll.
you will have to dance. Sorry. The audience doesn't allow me to give.
You can play that video. It has some music.
Oh yeah, I can.
Okay, you must dance and go understand.
I'll play the Mars Rover video. It has good music.
You don't get it without the dance. I'm sorry.
Come on. Come on.
Sir, wow.
Winner EDL. Time for 7 minutes of flaming hell.
So,
Rover's touching down. Everybody pass
can we
peanuts
have a big
around.
round of applause to him? Okay, teams. It's getting serious now. Time to catch up. This is the rapid fire round. Round 3. 1 minute. Answer as many as you can. Just give me A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, left, right, center, okay? Can you do that without seeing? No? Okay. Okay. So 5 marks for each correct question. So I think we have a equal standing. You guys can catch up. Okay?
After you finish the question.
So after I finish the question is only you can answer, correct? I'll not read out the options in this case. I'll just read the questions. The options will be on your screen. You have to give me an answer. I'll tell correct, right or wrong. And I'll not tell the right answer. It will waste your time. I'll just say right or wrong and I'll move on to the next question. You'll have 1 minute in total to answer. Can we
Please,
start?
please be specific. Say the answer is A, so and so, B, so and so.
Yeah.
So it's easier.
So it's easier, okay?
And I think when you're doing the scoring, so he'll say correct, incorrect,
5
according.
marks for each correct question. Each correct answer, sorry, all the questions are correct.
Ravi.
Okay, so we'll start with team B. Your time starts now.
No, after you read the
Okay,
question.
no problems. You are the timekeeper. Which of the following is a section included in IEEE 829 compliant incident report? B. That's incorrect. The correct answer is D. TQM represents. A or B? B. That's incorrect. Third, the process area test life cycle integration comes under. That's incorrect. Fourth, inspections can be considered part of software testing. True or false? That's true. Item transmittal report is also known as. D. That's incorrect. Sixth, which of the following is not a form of white box testing? B. That's
Time out.
correct. Time out. So guys, can we have a round of applause for this team? Team C, how are you feeling? Good? Nervous?
They are leading at the moment.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, so your question starts now. The structure of an incident report is covered in the standards for software and system documentation. What is it called? C. That's incorrect. SPICE is the abbreviation for? C. A. That's incorrect. Question number 3. The process area defect prevention comes under? That's incorrect. Defect tracking is associated with SQA. True or false? That's incorrect. Which of the following is not a static testing technique? That's correct. This type of tests include how well the user will be able to understand and interact with the system. Incorrect.
Time up.
Identify the. Okay, so since I've started, your time is up. Identify the app quickly. Okay, time up. So correct. Can we have a round of applause for this team? Your time was up already. Sorry. Which one?
Pinterest.
Yes, that was correct. So they get 1.
Yeah, 5.
Huh. Team 3. So this is it for you guys. Make it or break it, as Pooja said. Best of luck. I'm more nervous than you guys are. Let's start. Your time starts now. IEEE 829 test plan documentation standard contains all of the following except. Correct. TAMAR is the abbreviation for. That's incorrect. The process area test monitoring and control comes under. That's incorrect. Use case testing is a dynamic testing technique. True or false? That's true. That's incorrect. So which amongst the below is correct software process cycle? Repeat. Incorrect. Retesting modules connected to the program or component after the change has been made.
Time up.
Correct. So one correct. So can we have a round of applause for this team as well? No. So guys, the scores are in front of you. You can see the winners.
Okay, so who comes third? Who is the bronze? Who will get the bronze certificate? The third team. Can we have the third team? Team D. Can we have you on the stage, please?
Is there an audience question? No, there's no audience in
Congratulations. Congratulations, well done. So can you just give your name and the company once again?
My name is Vibhu Parida. I am from Philips and I work as a software tester.
Myself, Ravi Kant, work for Philips as a test lead.
So while they are here, can we have the second team, please? So they win the gold
Congrats,
certificate.
guys.
Congratulations. So your introduction.
Hello, I'm Shilpa Singhal. I work for Ericsson as a senior verification engineer.
Hi, my name is Gaurav and I work for Ericsson and verification engineer.
Thank you. So can we have the third team come forward, please?
The first team.
Third team once again.
Third team once again.
Yes.
So that he can have.
So we have the medal for you. Ritesh, are you carrying that medal? Okay.
Now why is it coming like this? That time this was not coming.
It all happens.
In the end.
Thank you. Can we have the first runners-up, please? Come, Freddy.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Please be here. And the winner of Indian Testing League 2014 is from the team? Please come.
Congrats, guys.
So they get a smartphone, each one of them.
Give only one, then let's see.
And the winning certificate. Great. So can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, this is Mukul, and I have been working with TCS last 4 years, and I'm a lead over there. Somewhat they call me a lead. I don't know what I am, but thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kunal here, and I'm working with TCS for the past almost 6 years now, and even I'm a test lead. Thank you.
Is one big round of applause.
So when are you going to leave TCS, by the way? You have to set a precedent now. Okay, so both of you want a promotion now. Okay. Okay, warm round of applause to all the winners. Can we have the third runners up, please? The finalist team.
Yeah.
Okay, so photographers, please.
We'll get down.
Let's give the stage
Let's leave
open
them.
for, keep the stage open for the winners.
You have to take all that. है भाई उसने खींच ली.
Okay, thank you, thanks. Thank you, team. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thanks, congratulations. Okay, the official photographer is always late. Neela Bansod. Mr. Gaurav Kumar.
Ravi, what is that? You collecting chocolate? Huh? No, I don't.
Rinki Lahoti.
I don't eat. I avoid. Yeah, I'll keep it.
Shailesh Unde. Gururaj Mohan.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll collect this. Okay. Just a minute.
Mohit Verma.
Yeah, thanks.
I would request the winners to please stay back. There are more photography and videography opportunities. So hold on. Salim Sheikh. Salim Sheikh. Anisha Maitra. Anisha Maitra. Mr. K.C. Sujit Kumar. Next. Ratika Kumari. Hemlata M. Miss Janki. Megha Srivastava. Supratik Majumdar. Anju Goyat. Just 1 second, Anju. Rohit Sudhakar. Divya Anil Kumat. Divya Anil. Bibhu Parida. Bibhu Parida. Bhargavi. Ms. Bhargavi Bari. Pradeep Khandelwal. Ms. Ramya K. Can I request all those who are standing in front to please be seated? Those who are coming to collect certificates are finding difficulty to come on stage. Mr. Devang Dave. Suchi Gupta. Ms. Suchi Gupta. Mr. Gandhi ji. Mr. Gandhi ji. We thought of collecting certificate from him. Shambhavi. Ms. Shambhavi. You can collect it on him. Mr. Joy Chaudhary. Ms. Shubharti Sarkar. Shubharti Sarkar. No, please. नहीं आप ही